going to be quite a challenge, isn't it?
Torture. Torture.
How do you get this off his head without hurting him?
You have to yank it off because he's a big noggin. It won't hurt. He's used to it.
What about his soft spots?
It's only in the front now.
Okay.
Didn't hurt.
I think I smell pee-pee. I think I smell pee-pee.
Isn't it amazing how we can smell pee-pee, and we never thought we could smell pee-pee, but we smell it.
I think I smell pee-pee.
What are you trying to say?
I love you.
Aww.
I love you.
That's not his normal crack sound. He likes that. It's the baby crack machine. That's his song. Hector and I sleep to that every night. I can't go to sleep without it.
It has to go over there, right?
Yeah, because he likes to look at the... Deborah, you didn't see. Deborah didn't see. Turn off the light.
Look at Maggie's involved in this.
Yeah, he looks like Hector right now. You look like daddy. You look like daddy. You're daddy, you're daddy, daddy.
Kick her, Owen, kick her. I used to. Kick her.